Welcome to the Explainer. Today, we're diving straight into your initiation for the intense AI Odyssey Labs.
So, ready to actually weaponize AI? We're talking about attacking live apps and actively breaking AI systems. Honestly, forget those basic CTF puzzles. You're stepping into a highly isolated, totally real-world adversarial arena. Every single mission gets immediate, on-demand infrastructure. It automatically spins up the exact second you hit start. What's your loadout? You get a containerized target, dedicated attack infra, and fully pre-configured Gemini AI resources.
The battle plan is pretty straightforward. Do your recon, run iterative experiments, validate your findings, and document everything.
Real success here? It happens right where clever prompt engineering meets rigorous human validation.
You've got to blend solid web security fundamentals with sharp analytical thinking and, of course, killer prompt engineering. Plus, your toolkit is absolutely stacked. Go ahead and leverage autonomous tools like pentest or Claude Code. Stuck behind a net but desperately need a reverse shell? Just tunnel out using SIsh, VPS, or ngrok. Now, your performance is actually evaluated manually, with 80% heavily weighted toward pure technical execution.
So dominate technically, sure, but remember, that remaining 20% scores your creative, out-of-the-box reporting.
Running out of time, use your lifeline super wisely because you get a strict maximum of 3 resets. Rules of engagement are simple. Test solutions, use official docs, and seriously, never deliberately damage the infrastructure.
Validate those successful exploits, and you'll automatically score exclusive badges to show off that practical expertise.
Good luck, analyst. The real question is, are you ready to shape the future of adversarial AI?